ड्रग्ज आणि IPL सट्टेबाजांना ऊत आल्याचं पुन्हा एकदा स्पष्ट झालंय। गेल्याच आठवड्यात IPL वर सट्टा लावणाऱ्या 3 बुकींना हंजून भागातून अटक केली होती। त्यानंतर शुक्रवारी कळंगूट भागातून आणखी दोघांना गजाआड करण्यात आलं। चंद्रशेखर ठाकूर आणि ललित श्याम अशी अटक केलेल्या बुकींची नावं आहेत। दरम्यान त्याच रात्री दुसऱ्या एका कारवाईत ड्रग्ज विकणाऱ्या सनी उजग्रिय या गुजराती युवकालाही अटक केली आहे। त्याच्याकडून 50,000चा अंमली पदार्थ जप्त करण्यात आला। कळंगूट पोलिसांनी शुक्रवारी मध्यरात्री IPL वर सट्टा लावणाऱ्या हरियाणा आणि छत्तीसगड इथल्या दोघा सट्टेबाजांना एका हॉटेलमधून अटक केली। चंद्रशेखर ठाकूर आणि ललित श्याम अशी अटक केलेल्या बुकींची नावं आहेत। सध्या इंडियन प्रीमियर लीग मध्ये गुजरात लायन्स आणि कोलकाता नाइट रायडर्स यांच्यात रंगतदार सामना होणार आहे। अटक केलेले बुकी एका हॉटेलमध्ये तळ ठोकून या सामन्यावर ऑनलाईन सट्टेबाजी करत होते। संपूर्ण देशभरातून यावर पैसे लावले जात आहेत। ही गोष्ट गोवा पोलिसांच्या लक्षात आली आहे। त्यामुळे गोवा हे सट्टेबाजीचं केंद्र बनतंय की काय असा प्रश्न उपस्थित झालाय। या बुकींकडून 12 मोबाईल, 2 लॅपटॉप आणि वायर्स जप्त करण्यात आलेत।
Last night, that is on 21st April, I got a reliable information that betting is going on based on the results and overs of the IPL match which is going on between Kolkata Knight Riders and Gujarat Lions. Accordingly, I immediately informed my superiors. My STPO Shri Sharafin Dayas immediately gave me the warrant to search. So accordingly, we went to the hotel at Kalangut and we searched the room, and we could successfully get around 12 mobile phones. We got 2 laptops and we got a notebook where they wrote the betting amount and the person whom they have collected the bets. And we could arrest 2 persons in this case. The 2 person names are Chandrasekhar Thakur, he is from Chhattisgarh, and Lalit Sham, he is from Haryana. Both these persons are arrested under Goa Gambling Act, and we have added section 420 IPC also because there could be the involvement of cheating. Now both the persons are taken for the remand and we have asked for the police custody. Here we'll be now analyzing the all the 12 mobiles. We'll be studying the call details and we'll be studying the total analysis of the mobile. And in case further offenses are made out, for example, if the SIM card which is used are stolen one or mobiles are stolen on one, so this investigation will go on. And in this some other person is involved in this case, that also we will try to find out. So this was something about IPL betting.
सर 2 दिवसापूर्वी अंजुना झालेला आता काँग्रेसने सूचना दिली तुमका असे दिसतं की गोंयांत खूप बॅटिंग चालली अशी सगळ्या गोष्टी पोलिसांक कळटा अशें ना
Yes, what can I say is that whenever we get information of betting, we will definitely raid. So information is needed and we are collecting and we are very proactively going towards curbing this IPL betting. Now the raid amounts depend 50,000 per over. If they say that this एक over may they said challenge of 50 runs and above, so then it depends upon how much they have the stake on that. So anyway, we have the mobile recording also on that. They have sound recording also. So we are going to analyze it and we'll take further steps.